Welcome to Tiancheng Yongtuo CNC Steel Bar Processing Machinery Sales Exhibition Hall. Now what you see is Automatic CNC Steel Bar Processing Equipment Series. According to the diameter of the processing steel bar or without function can be divided into various models. The average power is 5 kW per hour. The machine equipped with intelligent control touches the input value can be produced. Easy to operate. The machine also equipped traction device, uniform lock, telescopic function. The stretching part can protect the steel shaft from turning. The bending part can be double lane, two-way bed hoop, greatly improve the work efficiency. Using the machine can save time, labor for your set.